Sometimes we all need a little time to get away, a place to relax, reflect, or maybe just sit down and have a sandwich in the sunshine. And the chances are there's probably hundreds, if not thousands, of places just like that in your state. And the best part, there's probably nobody there. And they're most likely just minutes from your house. So going for a quick walk or going to the local park near your home is a great way to step away from work and decompress for a little bit. But if you really want to get away, go visit a wildlife management area. In Minnesota alone, there are over 1,500 wildlife management areas across the state. That's 1.3 million acres of wildlife habitat that's managed by the Department of Natural Resources. WMAs, or public land, are mainly used for recreation by hunters and trappers in search of small and large game and waterfowl. If you want to take photos of wildlife or just relax to the sights and sounds of nature, a wildlife management area is the perfect place. From upland and migratory birds to waterfowl to turtles, snakes, deer, muskrats, beaver, and more, visiting a wildlife management area puts you in their perfect habitat. So right now I'm in the Hardwood Creek State Wildlife Management Area, and it's literally like 30 minutes from my house. And there's like nobody here. It's a beautiful day and I got the place to myself. While WMA land is open to the public, hunting season can make them busier places, and you may find restrictions to access to keep everyone safe during the various hunting seasons. While we all love to spend some good quality time in nature, it's important to remember that camping isn't allowed in wildlife management areas. There may be an exception or two in some of the much larger WMAs, but those sites would be dispersed and primitive at best. So for the most part, I wouldn't plan on camping while visiting. So just south of Hardwood Creek is another WMA that I wanted to check out. The Paul Hugo Farm State Wildlife Management Area looks to be quite interesting. There's a nice long road that takes you down to a lake. Unfortunately it's gated, so I'm going to go ahead and try to walk down there. I am limited on time and we'll see if I make it. Another good thing to remember is that these are wild areas. They're not parks. You won't find a bathroom, picnic tables, or other amenities that you would associate with a park. Please respect the land and water and leave no trace that you were there. Well, here's another good example of why wildlife management areas are a great place to visit. This one's got a nice hike from the parking lot. It continues on behind me. There's a lake, but I'm running out of time and I need to get home. But again, you could spend lots of time here hiking, relaxing, enjoying nature. So don't be afraid to check out those WMAs. Well, there you have it, mini vacation spots. Well, sort of. But if you want to get out and connect with nature, a wildlife management area is a good way to go, and they're pretty close to home in most places. And speaking of connections, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and you're welcome to share it too. That would be great. And if you want to see more videos like this about cool places and back roads that are fun to do, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And I'm aiming for 1,000 and you can help me get there. So until the next video, I will see you guys down the road. Take it easy.